Hello guys, Dennis again, honestroof.com. Many of you have been asking about this. This is regarding contingency agreements and how to get out of them. Well, we've got some good news for you. You've already won. So, did you guys know it's actually illegal for these contractors to say they're going to represent you or handle your insurance claim for you? Did you know Texas actually passed a law making that illegal, but they're still doing it? Why would they still do it? Because it's very lucrative. One, it's just a misdemeanor, and it's like paying a speeding ticket if anyone even enforced it. But attorneys, they're not enforcing this. There's not an attorney out there who'd be willing to put their law business name out there to go after some homeowner for some contractor who is clearly trying to rip you off of all your insurance money. If they did go after you and they lost, well, now how's that make their law business look? Not so great, right? So here's what the law states. There is a Texas property code. It's section 4102.051 of the Texas Insurance Code has required individuals to be licensed as public adjusters if they intend to adjust a claim on behalf of an insured. Even if properly licensed, that's the property code, the Texas Insurance Code of 4102.158 states, it is a conflict of interest for a contractor to claim to represent a homeowner during an insurance claim if they intend to both adjust the claim and make repairs at the same time. So this law clearly states right there that a roofing contractor cannot promote to handle your claim if they intend to do the work. So right then and there, that's an illegal agreement. So you've already won. Well, no one listened to it, right? Contractors saw that law and said, we don't care. We're doing it anyway. This is a very lucrative way to sell a job. If they can walk up and convince you that, hey, you've got hail damage, and dealing with insurance companies is hard. You don't want to do that. Your insurance company is going to try to take advantage of you. You need us to deal with them. They could sell that job in 5 minutes. They don't have to promote an estimate. They don't have to show you anything, talk about pricing, materials, nothing. All they have to do is convince you that claims are hard and that you need them to do it for you. And it is very lucrative. It's working. They're selling jobs doing this. Now get this. Because that law was ignored, Texas, in July of 2013, then rewrote the law and tried to re-strengthen it by now saying a roofing contractor may not act as an adjuster or advertise to adjust a claim, even if they are licensed as a public adjuster, whether they're licensed or not, if they are intending on both in handling your claim and doing the work. And it's illegal. So right then and there, again, they're now restating the fact that you're not supposed to be doing both of those things, and that because it's illegal to negotiate a claim, if they are intending on doing the work, that any agreement contingent upon this approval is unenforceable. It says it right there in the law, unenforceable, that contingent upon that agreement is unenforceable. You guys can go look this law up yourself. You can go find it. Contingency agreement laws. I don't know what you Google to find it, but apparently it's 4102-201-204, 4102.201-203 and 204. So basically, the state of Texas says it's illegal for these guys to handle your claim. So all these advertisements you're seeing a roofer saying, yeah, their last roofer couldn't hack it. They couldn't get State Farm to pay. We got to go out there and drop the hammer. You're giving away all your insurance money to someone who's not even supposed to be doing that. And those of you who have signed a contingency agreement and want to get out, rip it up, throw it in the trash. It was not worth the paper it was printed on. You've already won. Now, a lot of these contractors are pretty slick, and that they're getting constables to send you letters when you cancel these illegal, unenforceable contingency agreements. When you cancel them, the contractors are bullying and scaring you into thinking you've got to buy your way out. You've got to pay them to go away. It's not true. That's also illegal. And they're doing it by getting constables to send you a letter with an intent to file suit. It's not going to go anywhere. Guys, to sue you, they have to go to an attorney and pay at least $2,500 minimum retainer to come after you for an agreement that's already unenforceable and illegal, and that was clearly intended on ripping you off of all your insurance money. If you sign a contingency agreement and you want to get out of it, meeting with your insurance company to try to negotiate your claim does not count as manual labor. They've done nothing. You can rip it up, throw it in the trash. You don't owe them anything. You can hire any contractor you want. It's your home. It's your insurance money. Hire any contractor you want. Go to honestroof.com and get an estimate. If you want to see what a real roof estimate looks like, you can also call us at 817-HONEST-1. If we don't answer, leave a voicemail, send us a text. We'll send you an estimate so you can see what a real roof estimate looks like. If you've signed a contingency agreement, don't be scared. They're going to try to bully you and scare you. They just tried to rip you off of all your insurance money. Don't you give them a penny. Give them nothing. That's your money, not their money. Your money. Just because they met with the adjuster, if you had legitimate damage, your claim was going to be approved no matter what. Whether you had somebody there to meet with them or not, don't be fooled. Do not listen to the lies. Honestroof.com. Get an estimate. Get something for your money.